You gonna do this with me?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Okay, here we are in the super lab.
Yep.
We are going to take what we have and make it better. So this is my workbench. It's a good workbench. It's super solid. It's nice and big. It's got a metal top with a wood core. It's got really good locking wheels down at the bottom. It's got a lot of storage. So what we're gonna do, because I can't afford it, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna drill a bunch of fabrication holes like a maker table or a Certiflat or something like that. So I built a jig. I'm gonna lay it down and drill it out. We got this?
Yeah. I'd say so.
We're good?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting me or are you getting the tools?
All of it.
Good. Half-inch drill bit.
Use it. Go. You know. It's supposed to see. Yep. This is it.
All right, it's been a week later. Took me a week longer to do it than what I thought, but it's done. I drilled a bunch of holes. I think I got it done. It looks pretty good. So what I did, I drilled all those holes in there. It follows a 4" by 4" pattern. I took a belt sander, sanded it down. At the end, I decided to go ahead and kind of follow the maker table and Certiflat and go 2 by 2 and put some extra holes in there. I don't know if I like it or not like it, but I just did it in this corner. I can always add holes. So that's it. There's my version of a fabrication table.